In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to create and sell books on Amazon KDP. Now, there are people making anywhere from 1K to 5K a month from this, and I love this side hustle because you don't need any upfront investment or any physical materials or physical products, because you create everything that you need online and Amazon prints and delivers it for you. It's basically like print on demand, but for books, and you get to tap into the biggest marketplace there is, Amazon. Plus, in my last video where I literally gave you the entire game plan for selling highly profitable children's books and then doubling your profit by selling it as both a digital product and with print on demand, one of the biggest questions you all had was, well, how can I make even more money selling books on Amazon too? And so I partnered with BookBolt to bring you another completely free course. I'm going to show you how to find your book idea, how to create it so quickly, less than an hour using BookBolt, and have it ready to publish and sell on Amazon, okay? So let's start with the first step, which is product research. So you can click the link below, jump into BookBolt and kind of go with me step by step as I do this, right? So the first thing to go to is the categories and pick a categories. Now, you'll probably see books from multiple niches in the drop down here: planners, journals, coloring books, notebooks, whatever. You can pick the option that you just like the most, right? I'm gonna go with notebook. And so you can either add your keywords or not at this stage. For now, I'm just going to move forward without adding any until just to get a sense of what's trending generally. And so here you'll start to see all the best sellers on Amazon, and you can see how many sales all of these star sellers are getting monthly, right? And so you can click on the title and you'll be redirected to the actual Amazon listing, which you can check out too. And you can also learn more about the size of the product, how many pages it has, and all of the rest of the stuff the description has to offer, right? Now, you may also get a sneak peek into the notebook through the videos and the images if they are available, but you can also read the reviews to see what people think about this product. This tells you what people actually like and what they're looking for. This is how you validate demand, okay? And also you can see what's missing from other books that you can improve on. So let's go into step 2, which is the keyword research and finding your sub niche. If you go back into BookBolt, go to keyword research, this will help you understand what kind of books people are buying, specifically notebooks, right? Because this is the example we're doing, and we're going to see what comes up. Now, I like to sort these by highest to lowest, and this is the way you can identify sub niches within your overall niche. Now, as expected, notebooks are very competitive on Amazon, but actually, if you dig beneath the surface, you start to realize there is high demand and little competition for different types of notebooks on Amazon. And this is what I always say, right? Get specific. The more specific you get, the more money you make, okay? So it's exactly what we want to do now. We're going to go through that list and see what's on offer to the market. We want to try and find something that's going to help us stand out from the crowd. Try to make sure that you don't end up creating anything that's related to a brand, okay? So we're seeing quote notebook and it looks interesting. It has over 9,000 searches, which is really high demand. And so you also want to check the competition. So you can come onto Amazon and just type in what you want to basically validate competition for, right? So we're going to type in quote notebooks. You can see that there's actually only 713 results on this from Amazon. So this means that if we create a product notebook, we have a huge chance of being able to rank and actually being able to sell. Whereas if you just made a general notebook without doing that kind of research first, the chances of someone finding your notebook on Amazon would be low when there's over like 100,000 in the search, okay? So After this quick bit of research, we're going to go ahead with choosing quote notebook as our specific idea. And so now we're going to move on to creating the book in BookBolt Studio. So when you go into the studio, BookBolt will actually help you create this notebook in just a few clicks. The process will surprise you because it is really easy to create. And so that's the benefit of having these tools. So when you click start a new project, choose paperback, you're going to give it a name. I think I'm going to call mine quoting notebook, and it will pick a size, right? 6x9 is the most popular and works for most notebooks. Now, if it's your first time creating a notebook and you don't know what size to pick, I recommend that you just go back to your product research and check the sizes of the notebooks that are actually doing well, okay? And you can see here in this example, the size is visible. It says 16x9 and 110 pages, okay? So I'll leave this field as it is. I want black and white interior with white paper, and then I'll finish creating the project. This is just me doing a quick example. You can customize yours however you like. Now, step 4 is about designing your book cover. I'm going to hide the information panel so we can just work on the cover. Now, the right side is always the front of the book and the left side is always the back, okay? And the other pages will all go inside the notebook. So when you're working on the cover, there are a few alternatives or a few options, okay? So you can upload images that you have on your computer to BookBolt, so you can use them for your cover, or you can use stock sites like Pixabay or Unsplash. You can have AI create them. You just want to make sure that A, it's free because we're not trying to pay extra here, and B, you can use it for commercial use. So just pick whatever speaks to you, or you can just type in the keyword and the system will actually provide you with a ton of options, really. So we're just going to pick this example for now, and then let's begin designing our front and back cover. Now, I want something like this to go across both sides, and then I'm going to add some text. I'm going to make sure it's all aligned and has a message that I want to convey. Then next, you're going to customize it, okay? So you're going to choose things like fonts, colors, etc., and then choose the font that you want. Now, there's such a lot of options, and sometimes we can get overwhelmed with choosing fonts. So really just pick one. That's my advice, all right? And then save the changes. Now we're getting on to step 5 now, which is about creating your interior pages. Now this is probably the easiest part, very easy to put together. And if you're wondering how you'll get the right lines for the book, so you don't have to worry about it, BookBolt, of course, has these templates that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead with the college journal and select all the pages along with the cover, and then I'll just change the line color to black instead of white, and then I'll click submit now, and that's it. Like, I've literally just finished working on my first book. Obviously there's a ton of adjustments that you can do, but I want to show you that actually if you keep it simple, this is something that you can get done very quickly. And so now we move on to step 6, which is downloading your files and uploading them to Amazon KDP. So now we just have the download file. I'll first click on the first option. You need a full project. You need to make sure you've got your cover, your interior pages for your book selected, and BookBolt is formatting everything for you. So when you go into your Amazon KDP account to upload your book, you don't have to worry about there being any errors or having to jump into Canva. We don't want any of that time-consuming stuff. Now, once the zip folder is downloading, you'll see that there's always 2 files inside. And once the files are in the system, we're ready to go to Amazon KDP and start uploading, okay? And it really gets to be as simple as that. You get to create a book that you've chosen based on demand. You've used BookBolt to help you create and format it. And now you have your files to upload to Amazon KDPs. And what's important here is that you didn't just go for any notebook. You found what you was already selling, you made your own version of it, and you made it faster and easier through a tool like BookBolt that helps with all the designing, even the researching, even the formatting, right? So you can focus on the most important thing, which is selling. So if you want to try BookBolt for yourself, I've left the link in the description as well as a discount code to get started. And if this was helpful, I want you to drop a comment below. I love making these free courses for you. I want you to tell me what type of book you might create, and I'd love to know what you come up with, right? And I'm dropping more free courses like this. Subscribe for more. And now let's talk about the thing that nobody else talks about in the video, which is how to sell it. And the good news is that all of the content that I make about selling digital products apply to this too. Marketing is so important. And so click this video next where I'm breaking down the full strategy on how to market and sell your products. I'll see you in there.